Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of missing network profile on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first and most obvious solution is a network reset. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings and then select network reset. Now click on reset now and then click on yes. Now why did I call network reset as the first solution? Because here's the thing, you can go through countless processes and eventually a network reset will entail all the commands in one go. So that's why I prefer this. The next one is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. And the last solution is to update the drivers. How would you update the drivers? So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the Windows Update tab, and then you can go to advanced options. You can go to optional updates and update the drivers here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.